Alright guys, so today we're going to learn and earn. We're going to learn about render. We're going to earn $3. We're going to start this lesson right now. So here are the answers to win $3 on render on Coinbase. The Render Network is a blockchain-based graphics rendering platform and 3D marketplace. It allows creators, artists, and design studios to work with a broad network of graphics processing units, GPU, providers to complete rendering tasks. The Render Network makes this possible by connecting artists looking to render their work with idle GPU resources provided by other users. With the Render Network, any creator can access high-powered GPU resources to speed up rendering tasks without having to rent or purchase hardware. Using the blockchain's underlying incentives and security, the Render Network can be utilized for there's your first dollar. Render is an ERC20 utility token that fuels the Render marketplace. It is used by participants to pay GPU providers for completing rendering operations. I just skipped one, so let's go back. To utilize the network, creators must submit a render job, the token of required render tokens. Jobs on the Render Network are governed via smart contract. The render fee is locked until it has been verified that the GPU producer performed the render operations accurately. Anyone with a compatible GPU can become a node operator and begin earning render fees. Hold on a second. Having some technical difficulties. By monetizing their idle GPU power. How do users earn render? Rendering 3D artwork. There's your second dollar. The Render Network's ultimate goal is to democratize GPU cloud rendering while allowing anyone to monetize their idle GPU rendering power. Today, the network is used by digital artists such as NFT superstars like Beeple and many of the leading 3D crypto artists. In November 2021, the Render Network announced it will bring its core infrastructure to Solana as part of the partnership with Metaplex. This allows GPU creators on Solana to access GPU power at a previously unattainable scale and speed. The Render Network hopes to render in the metaverse, allowing any 3D project or environment to be securely authored, shared, and monetized via blockchain tech. What is the next step on Render's network's product roadmap? Decentralized lending, cloud storage, prediction, monetization of 3D objects and environments. And that's how you earn $3 in render on Coinbase. Follow me and subscribe for more.